Hello everyone, my name is Leonardo, I'm product manager at Grindery, and today we're gonna see the first real use case of the minimum viable economy. Okay, what we will learn today, we're gonna step into the minimum viable economy with the example of the Talk to agent. We're gonna see monetization in Telegram and monetization in XMTP. So we will show you how you can quickly build a new assistant, AI assistant. It's going to be the Talk to agent, and we're gonna see how you can monetize this assistant into two different clients, in this case Telegram and XMTP, but you can build this on any client you want. Okay, so let's step into the demo. Hello everyone, in today's demo I'm going to show you a new agent. It's called the Talk to, and in this case what you can do is you can talk with a famous personality from the history. Okay, you can talk with people like Elon Musk, Socrates, Da Vinci, or Tesla, and even more. And you just need to select who you want to talk to, and it will describe the personality, it will make an introduction, and then you can ask a question and it will answer the question as the persona. Okay, and basically with this flow already set up, you can go in here and create a new HTTP bot. We already have it. It's called the Talk to. And with the HTTP bot and the configured flow, we can go into Aventino and register a new agent. Okay. So we just need to input the agent name, the price, webhook URL, secret key, agent input, description, instructions, icon URL, and tags. And then we publish. I already published this, and you can see that we have it here. Okay, Talk to, and it already have a wallet. So having a wallet will allow us to monetize the agent, so people can pay for the usage, and it will allow us, our orchestrator, to access the agent. Okay, so there is two ways to interact with this agent. We can directly use it, or we can talk with our orchestrator, and the orchestrator will discover the agent, plan and execute the task. Okay, so basically we can try it first in Telegram. Perfect. So to test it, we just go here into Telegram, and we are gonna do agents v3. So we can talk to the orchestrator. We ask him to give the list of agents with the wallet, and we can see that the talk to agent is here, and the wallet is 0xFCA, and we can see in here that the wallet address is correct, 0xFCA. And basically what we're gonna do is tell him I want to use the talk to agent. Perfect. And I'm going to tell him that I want to talk with Elon Musk. Good. So it's telling me now that I'm connected to the agent and start the conversation with Elon Musk. So basically, I'm going to ask him, what's your take on AGI? Perfect. So I just told him that I want to talk with Elon Musk, and I'm going to tell him to answer as Elon Musk. And here is the answer. Okay, it says artificial intelligence is one of the most profound risks in the future of humanity. While AGI has the potential to solve many of the biggest challenges, it also poses existential risks. And then what I'm going to do is to switch persona. So now I want to say I want to talk with Kanye West. And I want to ask the same question. What's your take on AGI? And if you see here, the answer is different. It says, Joe, AGI is the ultimate creative collaborator. You feel me? It's about breaking boundaries, thinking beyond what humans can do alone. But you gotta make sure it serves people and not just the system. So you can see that he changes the flow and the style of the response. And we can switch persona again. And I'm going to ask Nikola Tesla. And here, as Nikola Tesla, he say, AGI is the dawn of a new era in human invention, much like entering a current revolutionized by the world by transmitting energy across great distances. So he's using like his historical context to answer. Okay, so that's the first way to test, and you can see that for every interaction, it has a cost, okay, of 10 cents, which we set up in Aventino. And if we check our agent here, talk to, we can see that I made already 80 cents. Okay, as a creator, I'm able to monetize, and then I can just withdraw these tokens into my wallet anytime I want. Okay, and if I go here into my user, I can see that there are some interactions with the talk to agent. So I successfully paid the agent. Okay, perfect. So for our next example, the only thing I need to do, we're gonna test it in XMTP, and I just need to go here and create a new DM. I'm going to use the XO multi-agent, our orchestrator, copy paste the wallet address, and I'm going to say hi. Perfect. I'm going to ask him what's the list of available agents with the wallets, the new list. And we can see that he's giving me the list of agents, and it's including the talk to with the wallet address. We can check that the wallet address is right, so we can proceed to use it. Okay, use the talk to agent, and now we are going to talk to ask we're going to ask Gandhi what he thinks about Bitcoin. Perfect. So it gave me the answer. I asked Gandhi about Bitcoin. I asked Cleopatra about Bitcoin, and he told me here that the cost was 10 cents. Okay. And if we go here, we can check that there are new payments to the agent. Now it's 90 cents. And receive from Leonardo. Okay, so that's the way to monetize this agent. Okay, as you can see, in just a few minutes, I was able to make 90 cents just with the testing. Now imagine we have hundreds of users or thousands of users and hundreds of agents or thousands of agents. This can become really exponentially um, useful. Okay, so it's our way to show the minimum viable economy. Okay, and the more agents we have and the more interesting use cases, the better for the economy, and also the better for the creator because you will be able to monetize the agent. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you will create. Let's start building the economy together. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so to recap, today we saw the Talk to agent in Telegram and XMTP in two clients. So you can build on any client you want. In this case, it was Telegram and XMTP, but it could be on the web or it could be on your mobile app, etc., etc. Okay. We also saw how the multi-agent orchestration work. So we talk with our orchestrator to call the agent and then pay for it. We saw monetization across platforms and clients, and we saw the first steps into the minimum viable economy, um, which is an opportunity for exponential growth. Thanks for watching.